Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create a sleek and stylish loader animation using just CSS. So let's get started. Here we have a div element with the class attribute set to container. Inside the container div, there is another div element with the class attribute set to loader. Now let's set CSS. Here we have a universal selector. We set the margin and the padding to 0. Box sizing is set to border box. Now let's style the container. Here we set the display to flex. Justify content and align item is set to center so that it center content the horizontally and vertically within the container. Width is set to 100%, mean height is set to 100 VH, and background is set to dark blue color. Animation is set to animate background 1 second linear infinite so it makes the background color shift. Now let's style the inner loader. Here we set the position to absolute. Width and height is set to 150 pixel. Background is set to linear gradient to create the two-tone effect. Border radius is set to 50% so that it makes the loader a circular shape. Animation is set to animate rotate 2 second linear infinite so that it creates the spinning effect. Now let's set before schedule element. Here we set the content to an empty string. Position is set to absolute. Background is set to dark blue color. Inset is set to 20 pixel and 20 pixel 0 0 so that it creates a circle overlay at the top left corner of the loader. Border radius is set to 50% so that it makes the schedule element a circular shape. Now let's set after schedule element. Here the content is set to empty string. Position is set to absolute. Top is set to 50 pixel. Right is set to -10 pixel. Width and height is set to 40 pixel so that it makes a small circle. Background is set to light gray color. Border radius is set to 50% so that it makes the schedule element a circular shape. And here we apply the box shadow to create a glowing effect around the small circle. Here we use multiple shadows with varying size and colors to produce the glowing appearance. Next we use keyframe of animate rotate. Here 0 is the start position The transform is set to rotate 0 degree and the 100% is the end of the animation. Here the element is rotated at 360 degree, so it makes a full rotation. Now let's set keyframe of animate background. Here we set the 2 so that the animation progresses from the current state. We set the filter to hue rotate 360 degree so that it through the entire hue spectrum to create a color shifting effect. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it valuable. If you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below.